Today, learn how to do TikTok, live without showing your face. So if you guys are wondering how to basically go live on TikTok without necessarily showing your face, well, we could actually do. In order for us to solve this problem, or also go live on TikTok without necessarily showing your face is to actually proceed with, of course, firstly, hopping onto the TikTok application. Now, if you want to go live without necessarily showing your face, of course, what we could actually do is to proceed with, firstly, just putting your camera on your ceilings, or something like that. So I'm actually trying to go ahead and do that right now. So what we need to go ahead and do is to proceed with just pointing your camera on any other location other than your face. So that, of course, you could not basically show your face while doing your TikTok live. So my advice is to go ahead and try it out yourself and do that, guys. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like it and subscribe, and take care.